In the new version of the RepTool, you will find a shortcut to copy a report. When you exactly know which report you want to copy, for example, there is a new copy button in the bottom line of the Edit Report page. By clicking this button, you may copy the report to a new one with exactly the same content like the source report. When you create a report in this way, you will be directed directly to the graph. The graph will show you a message to check the report. This means that you should check and adapt the report information, or to change report data, e.g. the amount or shares of fractions or the acceptors. In the graph windows, you may do your changes and use the Submit button to stay in the window, or you use the Submit and Close button to come back to the graph. You may also adapt the total weight of the report and do the recalculation of the report via the overview. If tasks or package contents are inserted to a copied report by the shortcut or the traditional way, depends on the configuration of the RepTool by the V system or access administrator. If he or she decided that the task or package content shall not be copied, these parts will be cut out from the new copied report and you will get the relevant information, e.g. by the red frames in the graph. If a package is expired, the package will not be copied.